Hey y'all, what it is, what it do, it's your boy Jay Smooth, and welcome to another episode of Smooth Customs. Well, sort of. I guess we could call it Jose's Customs today. We over here at my buddy Jose's house, and you see in the background is my boy Moses GS300, and he's getting air ride. And barely. These guys got the airlift kit, which is cool because that's probably what I would do if I was doing my air ride all over again. And they got what, 2 Via air compressors. They got the
bags are in.
They got the struts with the bags in already. They're just getting this tank finished up.
Hoses ran through already.
Yeah. Let's see. This thing looks like it got jacked, but yeah, he got the body kit. He got the body kit on this sucker. And you got this expensive ass fucking wheels that they like 4Gs and shit. What do you call these suckers? Emmets?
Emmets, yeah.
Emmet wheels. Let's see. Now they say mechanics always have like a fucked up ass car, but upholstery guys, they got the upholstery nice, and then the rest of the car's fucked up. No, I'm just kidding. Look at it. It's the Gucci with the goddamn bride upholstery, but those aren't bride racing seats. It's just the upholstery. So fake it till you make it with the Gucci. Actually, I'm not mad. That's actually pretty dope right there. You know what I would do if this was my shit? I would do the Gucci fucking VIP curtains.
I do.
With the Gucci. Clean. Yeah, but see, but Moses is not that cool, so he wouldn't do them.
You don't want them, bro.
Yeah, look, he only got one TV. He didn't want to do 2 of them.
No, he did one TV.
He did one TV. He's like, oh, my daughter just sits on that side. I don't need 2 of them. But yeah, so he got the bride. Woo, look at that. Oh, he got the look the perforated leather. That's tight on the doors. It's pretty cool. It's a little mismatch of everything. He got this VIP table. I don't know who cut it for him, but it wasn't me.
It wasn't me.
That's why. But anyways, yeah, he got my whole steering wheel.
Oh, you gave him the mirrors too.
Oh, the side mirrors? Yeah, that's right. Oh, he got the side mirrors I had in my GS. Oh, I hooked these up. Yeah, I hooked these up. But yeah, man, so we here. We almost, I'm just spectating, to be honest with you. I figured I show you guys what it looks like at someone else's garage than just mine.
Yeah, this is the mechanic garage.
Yeah. Let's see, what else he got? Let's see what else. What else can we peep out right here? His engine is dirty as fuck. But, you know. Oh shit, look.